If you are looking to organize your bathroom for the new year, then you are in the right place. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen and my first video of 2022. A little over 2 years ago, I sat down and I designed an organizational plan for my bathroom. And this organizational plan for my bathroom keeps my bathroom looking neat and I know where everything is. So I thought that I would give you guys some tips on organizing your bathroom because I know that we all like to start New Year's out with organization and that kind of thing. So I thought I would give you some tips. I thought I would show you how mine looks. And then at the very end, I'm going to let you guys pick one of my next videos. So I hope that you enjoy this. Okay, so the first thing I did when I went to organize my bathroom is I sat down and I thought about all the things that I use in my bathroom. For example, some people do their makeup in their bathroom, so you're going to need your makeup in your bathroom. I do not do my makeup in my bathroom, so I do not need makeup in my bathroom. So I sat down and thought about all the different things that I did and all the things that I needed to use and that kind of thing. So that was my first step. My second step was to take everything out, go through everything, get rid of anything that had expired, that kind of thing. And then I decided to find a place and a home for everything. Now, I did not want my bathroom to be picture perfect, but I did not want it to be so organized. Like with the picture perfect, sometimes it gets so organized that you cannot possibly put it back where it goes. I wanted my bathroom to be organized yet functional. And I have helped a lot of friends organize their bathrooms as well. And some common problems that I see is that either you look at Pinterest and you see all these organizational strategies and all these beautiful things and you want to make yours look like that and it makes it impossible to put it back up. Or the second thing is you just have so much stuff and you just cram it all inside your drawers and that kind of thing. You also need to look at how many people are using your bathroom, what their needs are, what they need to keep in there. Fortunately, I have my bathroom to myself. I also make sure to keep a lot of extra space in my bathroom, drawers, that kind of thing. So that way if I need to add stuff, I'm not like overwhelmed like as to where does this go. And about every 3 months, I will take everything out, wipe it all down, and put everything back and go through expired items, that kind of thing. So I just kind of want to show you how I have it set up, and you can feel free to adapt anything that you want to when you're organizing your bathroom. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you in 2 cabinets and some drawers, and I did not clean them out first, so I apologize for that in advance. Okay, so these are my bathroom cabinets. I have 2 cabinets, 4 drawers, and 2 cabinets that I'm going to show you in today. Okay, so here is my first cabinet. In this cabinet, I have a basket that I purchased from Kohl's several years ago, and inside I have extra rolls of toilet paper. In front of the basket, I have 2 glass containers that I got from IKEA. I have one with cotton balls and one with Q-tips, and they're easily accessible. I have a basket that I got at Target several years ago, and in this basket, I keep my extra stuff. I keep extra lotions, I keep extra soaps, that type of thing, and it all fits into this basket, and I clean this basket out about once every 3 months. And then everything else is just empty in case I need some extra storage space. My second cabinet Inside this cabinet, I have a basket. This basket has a lid on it, and if you open up the lid, I have a variety of feminine products that I store in here, and I like it because I keep it closed and I keep it out of the way, and if someone comes over and they need something, I can just grab the basket and hand it to them, and they can pick out whatever type of product they like. This basket I purchased from 31. It has my hair dryer in it and hair drying supplies. I usually keep a brush in it, and basically what I do with this is if I want to dry my hair in here, I can, or if I want to grab this and take it into the bedroom and dry my hair in the bedroom, I can do that as well. This basket I bought at Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, and I keep my cleaning supplies in here. These cleaning supplies I do zone clean, and the cleaning supplies in this basket are for the bathroom, my closet, and my bedroom. And in front of them from Grove, I ordered this soap dish, and I keep my wet sponges in here until they dry. And then I also have a pair of gloves that hang on the inside of the cabinet door. My bottom drawer consists of my hot tools, my flat iron, my curling irons, that kind of thing, and I just keep them in there and out of the way. This drawer contains hairbrushes and combs. I have like hairpins and bobby pins in here. I have hair clips in here. I have clips and hair ties in here, along with things to pull my hair back with. This drawer is another drawer that contains hairbrushing stuff. I have some more hairbrushes and combs. I have scrunchies, more hair ties, hair clips, and then I have some hair scarves back there. These wooden organizers came from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. In my top drawer, I have an organizer. It's plastic. I bought it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I use it to hold everyday stuff like my toothbrush and my toothpaste. And I like that it's flexible, and I can take it out whenever I need to and wash it and clean it and put it back in. And I also have lots of extra space in here in case I need the extra space. I just wanted to quickly show you, this is how I store my soaps. I buy my containers of soaps and I pour them in these glass bottles. I actually got these from Grove Collaborative, but they have them in all kinds of stores, and you can even find them on Amazon. So now to the fun part. I want you guys to choose one of my next bathroom videos. Would you like to see a clean with me? Would you like to see different ways to style this tray that I have? Or would you like to see some deep cleaning in this bathroom? So you let me know which one of those three. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.